from the Netherlands to participate in our Frocktails because she was going to be wearing a few of her 22 Sculptural Bucket Coats. Now, for those of you that don't know who Jude, otherwise known as Judd, is, she was one of the first winners of our winter Sculptural Bucket Coat competitions. So the thing about Jude coming to the Frocktails is that she had never, ever flown on an aeroplane before. She also hadn't stayed in a hotel. So it was a really big deal that she was coming to the Frocktails. And then I heard the news. So, remember Judd had come here to model some of her sculptural bucket coats, which are actually her prized possessions. And they had lost her case. So that's KLM Airlines had lost Judd's case, and she was devastated, wouldn't you be? So the next day we had to get up at 6 o'clock to take Judd to the airport, praying that her case would be there.
You have to help me back again, huh?
I will. Wow.
This is yours.
This is mine.
This is yours.
No way. Look, hang on a minute.
Boy.
Are you sure?
Yeah. It's Christmas.
It is
Look.
Christmas.
Perfect.
No way.
Yeah,
Oh,
babe.
you're so kind.
No, you are.
Look. Wow.
Just original. And look.
And that's your leather coat.
Yeah. Oh, no.
So look at Catwalk Show in Leeds Airport. This is made of leather. Oh my God, look at that. And Jude said I can have it. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Don't you want it?
No.
That's
I'm
amazing.
not gonna wear it.
So hang on a minute. What did you just say, Jude? What did
If
you
my
just
house
say?
catches fire,
If your house catches fire, you're going back into
and let it burn.
Wow. What does the back look like? Look at that. And you made that out of your prize.
Oh,
Bound Hong Kong seams.
yeah.
And you made that coat out of your prize, yeah? Wow. Yeah, I am now. It's got a hood. Oh my goodness. That is amazing.
Really nice on a bike.
What do you mean really nice on a bike?
Well, you can
Oh, double end zip. That is so...
nice and warm.
Where's this fabric from?
Stuff and wool.
Ah, stuff and wool. Thank you for the coat.
Thank you so much. Beautiful people. I'm gonna go in bridge.
My coat. We're taking part. Actually, because we haven't even said anything about you being scared of flying. Forgot about that. Anyway, Jude's going now. Very brave lady. Until next time, next year when you're in the catwalk show.
I'm coming by train.
She's
or I
walking.
have to swim.
Swimming's
Yeah.
good. Yeah. Getting training now for it.